Seeing that most of the home buyers, not just in India but across the world, tend to reject houses or commercial properties facing either south or west. But to actually give you an insight, not all south facing or west facing houses or plots or commercial areas are bad. As per Vastu, especially as per Mahavastu, there are certain zones or entrances in both the west facing and the south facing which can be considered auspicious for having them. So, when you consider your west facing houses and when you have your entrances, especially in the west zone, there are a couple of entrances out of the 8 entrances in the west direction that showcase and have attributes relating to giving you like possibilities of getting gains, profits, or even getting overall happiness in life. Likewise, even in south properties or south facing properties, the entrances, that there are 8 different types of entrances that are there in the south facing properties, out of which there are a couple of them that are actually auspicious and are also known to be helping you increase wealth, get fame and recognition. To unlock complete understanding of what these entrances are, don't forget to click on the link below in the description box that is shared to give you an entire understanding how to locate the center of your plot, along with which how to go about locating the different 32 entrances that are there as per Vastu.